Hey guys, so I have a really amazing thing for all the content creators out there. So, as a content creator, we always struggle to find the perfect sound effect for a video, right? So, no more because I have this crazy website for you guys. So, this is the website. So, you can find here any of the viral sound effect that you want. So, yeah, I was so busy showing you the website that I forgot to tell you the name. So this is the website name. You can go check it out, and yeah, keep going, keep making videos. Okay, bye.